I can't believe I was almost scammed. I deal with fraud. That's my job. I'm proof that it can really happen to anyone. So here's what happened. I was at the airport with my kids, coming back from an amazing family vacation when our flight got canceled. The earliest flight the agent could get us on was a week later. No explanation, no apology, no refunds. They literally didn't care. The whole situation was just completely unacceptable. I was so upset, I ranted on social media. The airlines reached out to me and instantly offered to help. I was thrilled. They asked for my email, my name and flight details, which I gave them. It looked so genuine. My suspicion started when they said they needed to confirm my identity through one of their verification partners like Coinbase or Binance. Why would an airline need me to verify my identity through a cryptocurrency app? They blew past my question to clarify, instead telling me that they would help with the process. All I had to do was download a remote access app, which would allow them to control my device. That's when I realized I was talking to a scammer. They prey on people who complain on social media and offer to help. They know these people are emotionally distressed and are the perfect target. I can't believe I actually provided them with my personal information. But luckily, I figured this out relatively soon. What I learned from this is that when you are very emotional, the filters that usually act as guardrails drop. So never make decisions or share personal information when you are emotionally distressed. Let the emotions settle down and come back to it with a clear head.